Beenie Man and Crystal Tomlinson are no longer a couple. Two of them broke up, separate, relationship done. Drop a dirt, straight a ground. No more loving couple, family fun. How really a go and do?
The boy you no owner for me. Girl with class so you nana no free. All of the good girl. Good girl. You work your own money. Crazy never lazy.
Is it the fact that Crystal never realized a Beenie Man love the girl them with the wickedest slam?
Give me the girl them with the wickedest slam. The kind of girl we no feel love up she man.
Or Beenie Man then they perform right because him belly too bang and he name the tan panny long. Me need whole heap of answer for all of them a question. So make sure you comment down there so in the comment section. And guess what? Nobody take too long. Do it right now, no man. By the way, make we check out the age difference of Crystal and Beenie Man. Crystal Tomlinson was born on the 8th of June 1990 and Beenie Man was born on the 22nd of August 1973. So you know say I'm 47 going on to 48, not too far away from 50, and Crystal is only a mere 30 going on to 31 this year. A huge 16 years gap between the two of them. I wonder if it's an age difference what it caused the problem. So them have a pretty little baby girl together, and that little pretty baby girl name is Zaya. On October 25th, 2020, Beenie Man mother was laid to rest. Beenie Man even fainted at her funeral. But guess what? Crystal Tomlinson was not present at the funeral. It had social media speculating. Everybody, them grandparents, them mother, them father, cousin, sister and brother came to the assumption that something must be wrong. Something had to be the reason why Crystal wasn't present there at the funeral to offer her support in a grieving moment as such. It was at that very same moment everybody came to the conclusion that Beenie Man and Crystal relationship pop up like a dry tick, mash up like two car in a head-on collision on the highway 2000. Separate and apart from that, recently, Beenie Man's ex-wife, the Angel, released a video stating that fathers who are not supporting their children financially are the worst of the worst.
Because him can't get you, him start spite all the pitney. How much woman can relate to that?
She went on to big up the fathers who are there in their children's life, even after both parents separated. Back to the matter at hand. On one hand, you have Crystal, a well-educated, well-spoken politician. On the other hand, you have Beenie Man, the girls them sugar, the girls them doctor, Mr. Zaga Zow, who has been entertaining the world for almost 40 years as a dancehall superstar. Do you think that these people are total contrast and opposite of each other as it relates to compatibility? You know say dancehall and politics always have its difference, never go hand to hand yet, always the opposite. Viewers and subscribers, may I ask you to answer this question? You think that was the problem in the relationship? Your guess is as good as mine. You think Beenie Man just could not settle down with one woman and had numerous relationships with multiple partners, and Crystal just couldn't take it no more? I stress out the poor woman head. She can't sleep at night. She don't want to eat no food, and she have to go out there in the world and I pretend like everything is all good when deep down inside of her, she's very much hurt. She tired of it. She tired of the dirty boy. Or maybe it was the other way around. Maybe Crystal had a younger man in her life that made her came to life and made her felt the ways that Beenie Man could not make her feel. That exuberance of passion, that sense of feeling that made her want to just explode. Was Crystal cheating on Beenie Man? Was Beenie Man not pleasing her? Was he unable to make her reach that heights of climax? Have Beenie Man dropped bush? Have he lost that vigor and stamina? Popped down like piece of Hulk car? Young boy she want in her life. Yes, young boy she want in her soul. Why she want ride pan a young pole? Aye. Or is it that Beenie Man just could not take the posh life, the well-polished, living up to society's standard? Was Crystal stifling Beenie Man's creative energy, the juice that kept him on the top of his game for so many years as the undisputed king of the dance hall. Is Beenie Man a control freak who uses his wealth and riches as leverage to try and control Crystal? But Crystal is a free and independent soul who chose not to be confined by anyone in such circumstances. Is Crystal a common gold digger whose intention was to nyam out Beenie Man's pocket and run away with everything in his bank account? The cause for the separation can be any reason. Only Beenie Man and Crystal that can bring clarification to the matter. All we can do is to speculate, assume, and ponder. It leaves me with no choice but to wonder what Desha Ravers has to say about this unfortunate situation. Was Bounty Killer correct in his deliberation that Beenie Man is a gal clown? Who will be Beenie Man next significant other? Will it be Lila Ike, Sensia, Statius, Pampute? Or will it be Lisa Hyper? It may even be Spice after she dumped the Rasta man there. Who knows? Me no know what go on here, man. Me no know. Only two people can come and clarify what caused the relationship for mash up, pop down, disintegrate, done. What we have to look upon is the fact that they share a child together. Now, them have to do them best as it relates to co-parenting to make sure that the child is not deprived of her father's and her mother's care. Remember, you know, money alone can't raise pitney. The child need to have the presence of both parents so he or she, in this case, Zaya, can grow up and have that balance in our life. Far too many of our society's children growing with a single parent family, and it is definitely a trend that we need to eradicate.
There's no more you and me, what the hell you know what I talk about? Any man when he left me no take back, so tell him to stop breathing a minute back. You wanna forward, you a step back.
Man, if you have a get a girl enough to proud, although she might look kinda loud.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel.
Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.